How to prepare a temporary slide of stomata. Okay, first of all we need a leaf. We take a leaf from balsam plant, then a safranin stain which is red in color, then glycerine and water. Then we require a slide and a cover slip and a brush. Okay, the leaf has two parts, the upper epidermis, lower epidermis. We need a section from lower part of the leaf, that is from lower epidermis. Peel the leaf. In such a way away from the venation. It is easy to get the section properly. Okay, here we get a thin membrane which is white color, not green. Then cut this section using a blade. Then put the section into clean water. Wash it and put into the diluted solution of safranin. Okay, wait for 2 minutes and then take the section and wash it in the water for removing excess stain. Then place the section into a slide. First we clean the slide using a blotting paper. Okay, then put the section into the slide using a brush. Okay, then add 1 drop of glycerine into the section. Glycerine prevents the drying of the section and it also prevents bubbling while putting cover slip. Then put a cover slip slowly above the section without making bubbles. Just press the side portions of the cover slip. Okay, then just remove the excess water and glycerine from the slide. Okay, now slide is ready and you can observe the slide through microscope under low power of the microscope. Okay, now you can see the structure of stomata through a microscope. The stomata are guarded by guard cells. Each guard cell is rich in chlorophyll. Okay, thank you. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share my channel. Okay, thank you.